Good day, viewers. I'm Reyes from Mapua Institute of Technology, taking BS Computer Engineering, and I am to discuss something about programming in C++, specifically about reversing a list. Hope that you learned something from me. First and foremost, we have to define first the list. Lists are sequence containers that allow constant time, insert and erase operations anywhere within the sequence and iteration in both directions. We had a lot of sequence containers, just like array, vector, and dec, but compared to those, lists perform generally better in inserting, extracting, and moving elements in any position within the container for which an iterator has already been obtained. We had a lot of functions and syntax for a list, but just like what I've said earlier, I'm going to be focusing at reversing a list. First, of course, in order to use a list container, we have to use this header, which is number sign include less than operator list and greater than operator. Basically, from the word itself, reverse, this function refers to something about changing order of the elements inside the list container. To understand it further, I've made this example. Suppose you have a list named list1, and the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 here represents the order of your elements. If you use the function pushback, and if you've entered an element, let's say character A, it will be the first element in your list. If you enter again another character like character B, it will be the second element in your list, and so on until you entered character E. So the output of your program, if you output your list, would be like this, like A, B, C, D, E. Now, if you've used the function reverse, by the way, the syntax for reversing a list is this const that reverse open and close parentheses, wherein the list const there was the name of the list. In our case, the name of our list here was list1. So if we are going to reverse our list, the syntax for this would be list1 that reverse open and close parentheses. The program will run like this. The first element that you've entered using pushback will be the last element in the order of your list, and the last element that you'll enter will be the first element in the order of your list. In our example, our first element was the character A. So now, since we've used the reverse function, it would be the last element. So the output of your list would go like this: EDCBA. As a part of this tutorial, I have also included two samples of running program regarding this reversing a list. One program is downloaded and the other program was my own program. Our sample program number 1 contains a list of integers ranging from 1 up to 9. Before outputting this list, we're gonna reverse this list first. So our program will go like this. Of course, you need to have header files, and this includes the include IOStream and the include list. Our main function will go like this. Of course, we will be having our declaration of the list. The name of our list is myList, and its data type is integer. We're gonna enter its element by using the function pushback and this for loop. So the initial value of I in our for loop is 1. Then there is a comparison if I is less than 10. Since 1 is less than 10, the loop will continue and it will be entered as an element of our list. After entering, it would increment, and it will return to the loop until, of course, it reaches an integer less than 10, which is 9. So the elements of our list will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 in exact order. But by using this syntax, myList.reverse, the order of this would be of course reversed as 98765431. So, next is the sample program number 2. Sample program number 2 is almost the same as sample program number 1. The only difference is the data type of our list here was strings. So our program will go like this. Of course, we need to have the header files, then our main function. We need to declare again our list, and the name of our list here is bilang, and its data type is string. So by using again pushback, we're gonna enter these 3 strings. So our strings was isa, dalawa, and tatlo. Of course, we need to use double quotation marks since it is a string. So by using again the bilang dot reverse or the reverse syntax, we're gonna reverse the order of this list. So our output will go like this. Tatlo, dalawa, isa. Instead of having an output of isa, dalawa, tatlo, it became tatlo, dalawa, isa because our reverse function. So that's all. I think I've already discussed my topic, and I hope that you learned something from me and you know now how to reverse a list. Thank you for watching, and credits also to my professors in Mapua, Sir Eric Navarro and Sir Gibson Boyle, and also to my C++ book by Des Malik. Bye!